How to pause location sharing in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on privacy and security, and then click on location services. Now here you can turn off your location services. After turn off your location services, then go back to your home screen and swipe down to your control center. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After that, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.